In quiet rows of measured days, where numbers softly speak in race, we trace the paths of what has been, through scattered points of grass unseen. A line emerges calm and true, drawn through the chaos we once knew. It tells a story clear yet wise, of hidden trends beneath disguise. Each slope reveals a subtle change, how one affects another's age. A rise, a fall, a steady pace, connection time cannot erase. True error turns hypocrisy, not perfect world of certainty. Yet still we learn, refine, adjust, in models built on thought and trust. And so regression gently guides, where meaning in the data hides. A tool of reason calm and clear, making complex patterns appear.